Belgian chocolate is world renowned for its quality and craftsmanship, and I'm going to show you how to master one of our most indulgent treats. I'm making Belgian chocolate truffles, a classic Belgian praline that's surprisingly simple to make at home, yet incredibly rich in flavor. I'm starting with the filling, which is a traditional chocolate ganache. I'm using 150 grams of heavy cream, 50 grams of butter, and 200 grams of dark Belgian chocolate with at least 70% of cacao content. In a small saucepan, I bring the cream and the butter to a simmer over medium heat. While it's warming up, I break the chocolate into small pieces with my knife. Once the cream is boiling, I pour the chocolate into the hot cream and butter mixture. Using a spoon, I stir everything together until the chocolate is completely melted and the ganache is silky smooth. You can elevate your truffle filling by optionally adding a splash of your favorite spirit for an extra depth of flavor. I'm using whisky, but cognac, amaretto or Grand Marnier work beautifully as well. Once mixed, let the filling set in the refrigerator until it's firm. Let's move on to the coating. I will be using two different kinds, one being pure cacao and the other one chocolate shavings. I pass the cacao through a fine mesh sieve to get rid of any lumps. The chocolate shavings, I use my box grater to grate some dark chocolate. I will also need another 150 grams of dark chocolate. I melt them using a bain-marie. I place a bowl over a pot with a small amount of boiling water, making sure the bottom of the smaller pot does not touch the water. I stir the chocolate occasionally with a spoon until it's fully melted and glossy. While the chocolate melts, I boil some water and pour it into a glass with some small spoons. I take the chilled ganache out of the fridge. Using a small spoon that I formed in the water, I scoop out a portion of the ganache to form my ideal truffle shape. It doesn't have to be perfect, chocolate truffles are irregular shaped. I place the spoon back into the hot water between scoops. A warm spoon makes it a lot easier to create a shape. I cover the chocolate ganache with the melted chocolate to give it a thin coating. I quickly and carefully lift it out with my fork, and from there the truffle goes straight into the cacao powder. I roll each truffle until it's fully covered in that rich, bitter cacao powder. Let's do that again. With my warm spoon, I take a somewhat round form out of the ganache and place it in my melted chocolate. With my forks, I cover it entirely, lift it out and place it directly in the cacao and cover it completely. For the chocolate shavings, I do the exact same thing and continue doing it until I've used all of the ganache. If your melted chocolate cools off and starts to thicken, reheat it on the bain-marie. I let the chocolate truffles set completely in a cool and dry area before serving. And there you have it, Belgian chocolate at its finest. Enjoy!